Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from MyFirstWig. So this is what their box looks like. As you guys can see, very structured, so you know for a fact that your wig is well protected and secure. So this is what the wig looks like, as you guys can see. So this is their 14-inch 13x4 lace front wig. So this is the construction of the wig. It comes with combs, comes with an elastic band already stitched onto the wig, and it comes with adjustable straps at the back. So this wig is actually supposed to be installed glueless. So as usual, the wig came pre-plucked and the hairline looks very clean. It came pre-plucked and it also came pre-bleached, so all I need to do is literally just to install this wig. The wig also came pre-styled, as you can see. So this is literally a ready to go wig. So they sent me a wig grip and they also sent me a lace glue, which I'm going to be trying out both for you guys in today's video. So this is supposed to act as a grip for the wig, so you don't have to glue it down. So I'm actually going to go ahead and pop this on now, and I like the fact that it's kind of like a medium brown color, so you know this will definitely match my skin tone. So I'm just going to pop this on. Okay, so because the wig has already been styled as a side part, and I'm gonna shift this part of the grip. As you can see, this side, it still has some grips on it, but it's not as big as, you know, the rest of the grip. So I'm gonna switch this side to the side, so you know the side parting can lay on this side and you know you'll be fine. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the wig on. Your wig should look something like this. So the elastic band hooked together and the adjustable straps in the hooks at the back. I'm not gonna lie to you, so I've got the wig on now, yeah, and it feels really secure on my head. Like, this is not going anywhere, and all I've used so far is the elastic band that comes with the wig and the straps. So this grip is basically meant to like grip onto your lace and your wig doesn't move when the wind is blowing, or if someone tries to pull your wig, it's still basically secure. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and then we can go from there. Actually, do you know what? I feel like since I'm doing a glueless install today and I don't want to apply any spray, I should apply my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply some powder. This is my powder brush, and I'm just going to apply what's left on it and just apply this over the lace. Okay, so I've got the wig on now and I've cut off all the excess lace, and this is what the lace looks like. As you guys can see, this is 100% glueless. I've not applied any glue to this wig. It's literally not moving because that grip thing is there, so I have to like use so much force to like pull it back and then now stretch it out properly. I think I'll definitely say I'm like really happy with this grip, because not only can I use it for this wig, I can use it for my other wigs as well. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb. You guys can see the wig already came pre-styled, so okay, so I'm done adding some layers to the wig now. I think this looks a lot better. This is just like I feel like this wig is just giving off simple everyday go-to, definitely very beginner friendly. So guys, this wig is secure on my head and it's not glued down. I've not used any hairspray, I've not used any hair glue, I've not used mousse, gel, nothing. So I'm gonna come in closer now so you guys can see what you know, how the hairline looks. So this is how the lace looks, which is really good, by the way. I think I would definitely recommend you use your contour powder, because I feel like that obviously helped with matching my forehead a lot better, because that's obviously where you would bronze or contour around that area. So I would recommend you use the same contour, the same powder you use the contour around your forehead, use that on the lace. This part of the wig is fine, but then obviously, you know, you have the sides, and you know, the sides are always the problem. But I feel like if it was left to me, I would definitely leave this wig like this and call it a day. Like, this is like so quick and simple. Like, it literally took me 5 minutes to install this wig, and you can see you're still able to put your hair behind your ear if you would like to. I'll zoom in so you can see how the lace looks. The last thing I have to show you guys now is the lace glue that they also sent me, as you can see. So this is what their lace glue looks like, which you can obviously decide to use to install your wig if you would like to, but you don't have to, because you guys can see I've got this wig on my head and it's not glued down. But just to show you guys how to use the glue, I'm going to glue down the air tabs, but you don't have to use the glue, like I said. So you can either wear it glueless like this, or you can decide to use any hairspray or whatever glue you'd normally use. But I'm going to show you guys how to use their glue. So I've just applied a small amount of the glue, and now I'm just going to use this to just spread it out. I don't even remember the last time I used actual lace glue, you know. One thing I've noticed right away is that the glue does not take long to dry down, which is a good thing. So now I'm just gonna put the lace over that glue. All done and glued down, so now you don't have to worry. And this is still very much glueless. All you've had to glue down are just the air tabs, the sides. Okay, so I finished installing this wig now. I think I just like the fact that you have the option of gluing it down, or you can wear it glueless. It's literally up to you. So and it's like, even if you do decide to wear it glueless, the wig is very secure on your head. You don't have to worry about, you know, your wig sliding back or coming off or anything like that, because you have the wig grip. I would definitely recommend you cut some layers into the wig just to give it a bit more body, because when it came it was nice, but I just kind of felt like the style was like really flat. So I'm happy I decided to cut some layers into the wig, because now I feel like it has more body and this looks a lot better. So yeah, like I said, this wig is from MyFirstWig, and it is definitely very beginner friendly, because it literally took me 5 minutes to install this wig, and you can wear this wig without using any glue, any hairspray, any gel, nothing, no hair mousse, nothing. You can actually wear this wig and just go. So yeah, and the length of the wig is 14, so this is a 14-inch wig. And yeah guys, so I'm going to make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below in the description box, so please make sure you check down below for anything you like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.